Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you something mind-blowing. You know this AI animated niche? It's blowing up right now on YouTube. So many faceless channels are uploading short AI animated videos, and guess what? They're already monetized and earning thousands of dollars every single month just by spending 1 to 2 hours making these videos. Yeah, that's it. But hold on, I've got something even crazier for you. In this video, I'll show you how to create viral AI animated videos in just minutes, not hours. Yes, minutes. I know it sounds unbelievable, but I promise you, it's real. No complicated software, no editing skills needed, no team, nothing. And here comes the best part. You can do all this 100% for free. No credits, no subscriptions, no paid tools. I'm going to introduce you to a free website where you can generate amazing images and animated videos without paying a single rupee or dollar. This is perfect for beginners, for anyone who wants to start a faceless YouTube channel, or even for creators who don't have much time. I'll walk you through everything, step by step. All I need from you is a small favor. Watch this video till the end, because I'm going to prove everything live and show you exactly how it works. So grab a notebook, maybe a cup of tea, and let's dive into this easy method that could change the way you create content. Let's go! Just take a screenshot. No need to enter any complicated prompt. Now come into ChatGPT and simply type, "I want to create this type of animated video. Kindly prompt me 8 prompts with the same character and same situation." That's it. No need to write any special or offensive text. Just keep it simple and clear. Hit enter and then dazz. I mean, it's amazing, bro. ChatGPT instantly gives you 8 super cool prompts, all matching, consistent, and creative. They look awesome, and yes, they actually work. You don't need to be a pro or spend hours figuring things out. Just copy-paste, and you're ready to go. It's literally that easy. This trick is a game changer for anyone creating AI videos. So don't miss it, try it once and you'll be blown away. Alright, now let's jump over to Google and search for Meta AI. Once you see the search results, just click on the very first website that pops up. It'll take you straight to the platform. Now go ahead and sign in using your Gmail account. Once you're in, you'll see a super simple interface. Don't worry, it's totally free. Yes, you heard that right, completely free. No credits, no subscriptions, no payment, nothing at all. Just free access to powerful AI tools. Now take a look at the face interface. All you need to do is paste your prompt right there. And boom, just like that, it'll generate a realistic full HD quality image. It's crazy how good it is, way better than what you'd get on most paid websites. So yeah, save your money. This tool does it all for free. But hey, I know what you're thinking. You don't just need images. You want videos, right? Well, don't go anywhere because I've got you covered. Look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a bunch of different style options like 3D style, cartoon, cinematic, and many more. You can pick whatever you like. Personally, I went with the 3D style because, honestly, it looks the best for animated content. And when I hit generate, the result was amazing. Super clean, high-quality 3D visuals in full HD. And here's the cool part, you can also customize the colors, lighting, and even the vibe of the image. But seriously, just click the 3D option, try a prompt, and you'll be shocked at how good it looks. Now, once your image is ready, here's the exciting part. Just click on animate and wait a few seconds. Not minutes, just a few seconds. And boom, your AI-generated image turns into a full HD animated video. And don't worry, I know some of you are wondering about the watermark or logo on the video. I'll show you how to remove that too. So make sure you stick around and watch till the end. And finally, once you've created all your animated clips, just generate each video one by one and download them all to your device. It's that simple. You now have everything you need to create viral AI animated content for free. Let's go viral together. Now let's move on to CapCut. It's time to clean up your video. Open CapCut and drag all your downloaded videos into the timeline. Now, to remove the logo or watermark, it's super simple. Just click on the video clip, then go to the Edit tab and slightly zoom in using the Scale option. That's it. The logo will move out of the frame and boom, your video looks clean and professional. Now you can enjoy your fully animated video completely free and without any watermark. Carefully adjust the size of each video so that everything fits perfectly on screen. Avoid any parts being cut off and make sure the visuals are framed properly. This small step makes a huge difference in making your video look polished and professional. Next, add smooth transitions between clips to keep the flow engaging. Use fades, slides, or zooms depending on the style you like. You can also apply visual effects to enhance your video. Try using cinematic filters, glow effects, or soft motion blur to make it feel dynamic and high quality. To make your video even more engaging, add text overlays for brief explanations or highlights. Keep your text clear, minimal, and well-timed with the visuals so that it enhances the storytelling without distracting viewers. Now for the finishing touch, background music. Visit the YouTube audio library and download a copyright-free music track that fits the mood of your video. Import the audio into CapCut, place it under your video timeline, and adjust the volume so it complements the visuals without overpowering any narration or sound effects. Once everything looks good, export your video in HD. And just like that, you've created a high-quality animated video using free AI tools and simple editing techniques. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content.